So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete PayPal transaction history. So first off, you can't really selectively delete individual transaction records from your PayPal account because PayPal must legally retain financial data for security and compliance. However, you can hide specific entries by archiving them or erase your entire history by closing your account. So let's get into it on the PayPal app. So you can go to your activity. That's going to be located either on your wallet, your home. You can see your balance as well for your activity. And once you choose show all, you can click the archive dropdown and select archived and find the payment and click remove from archive, which would be a kind of way to delete your PayPal transaction history. So you can only delete it for yourself. You won't be able to remove it entirely because PayPal keeps an archive for that for legal reasons they need to store their financial data, but you can hide those entries through your PayPal balance, which is going to be on there. So you can just erase your entire history also by going to your account settings. So once you're here, you can see your contact info, your notification preferences, marketing preferences, login security, and you can just choose to close down your account through here. So by closing your account, you won't be able to access any of your transaction history because it's going to be deleted alongside with your entire account. So that will be kind of way to remove your transaction history. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.